My name is Sven Kili, and I'm the Chief Development Officer for CCRM and OmniaBio. I'm currently in Estoril in Portugal at the Advanced Therapies Europe meeting. And once again, absolutely fantastic meeting. It would take me a long time to go through all of the cool stuff that's been discussed, but probably just a few highlights are, one, we had an amazing discussion yesterday about Europe and Europe as its role in cell and gene therapies globally. And what we really saw is there's an enormous excitement about Europe. The important thing is Europe is not America. So it's not a mini US. It's an organization and a series of countries on its own with its own regulator. A regulator that's very open to discussions and a regulator that's very open to giving advice. Many of the challenges levied against Europe are about reimbursement, and we had a lot of discussions about reimbursement, how we think about that, and how we work proactively with the reimbursement agencies and the health technology agencies to ensure we can show value for patients. One of the other very important and exciting topics is in manufacturing. We've been talking about manufacturing for such a long time. How do we become more optimized? How do we bring the cost of goods down? And what we're seeing from a number of providers is really exciting new developments, particularly within automation and within simplifying the manufacturing process. What that does is shortens the process, brings a lot more quality into it, and hopefully decreases the cost of goods for therapies, making them easier to get to patients. So that's a little bit from Advanced Therapies. Wish you were here and look forward to seeing you very, very soon.